How to boost Chrome download speed on Android. This tutorial shows you how to enable hidden Chrome flags to speed up your downloads on your Android device. First, open the Google Chrome app on your Android device. After that, tap on the address bar at the top and type in Chrome//flags and tap Go. From there, you'll be taken to the Chrome Flags page, which contains experimental features. At this point, tap on the Search Flags bar at the top and type in Parallel. In the next step, you'll see the Parallel Downloading flag appear. Tap on the drop-down next to it and select Enabled. Following this, go back to the Search Flags bar and this time type in Quick to find the next flag. Once done, you'll see the Enable Quick Intensive Throttling flag. Tap on the drop-down and select Enabled. Finally, tap on the Relaunch button at the bottom of the screen to restart Chrome and apply both flags. Your download speed and browsing experience should now be noticeably faster. And that's it. If this Chrome guide helped you boost your download speed, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.